So why didn't
You.
I just want to be one of you guys.
You have no idea who I am, do you?
I'm not like you. You know exactly who you are. You always have.
Oh, yeah.
I need you
Many
all to
things.
see this. I'm gonna kill you, Dragon.
Why didn't you?
Everything we know about you guys is wrong.
That nonsense dies now.
What is he doing?
Starting with you.
Especially you.
What are you doing now? Get
Is this some kind of a joke to you?
faking. Oh, don't feel too badly. You tried your best.
Stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
Figure out which side you're on.
I've thrown your lot in with them.
You are nothing without your dragon.
You're not my son.